and welcome to my channel. For today, we are going to cook something and I'm going to prepare some coffee because I'm hella sleepy. Let's get started. But wait, before we move on, please hit the subscribe button and like my video. So again, let's get started. The cooking, I already turned on my water heater so that I can make some coffee. For today, I'm using my French press here, and I have ground coffee available. I'm gonna put in one scoop for every 1 glass. So now my water is hot. I'm putting in 1 glass of water inside. This on top, but I won't press it down first. Okay, we'll leave that there. So for today, I have this. Whenever I come from the grocery, I take meat, fish, and whatever frozen goods out of the plastic and styro because sometimes they taste like styro if they are in that packaging for too long. So I transfer it to these plastic containers. And then this is thinly sliced beef. I don't know exactly what it's called, but I want to turn it into tapa. Okay, so this is already defrosted. I took it out this morning. So for this, I will be using this pan. And then I will put this in the pan. Lay it out a bit. Put some salt. Add some pepper. And then massage it. If you can massage in the marinade or the salt or the pepper into your meat, do it. Because sometimes people just pour it on top and the meat does not absorb the flavor. So it's better to massage it in. And then I'll put in some sugar. And some water. And then put it on the stove. So it looks like this. Yeah, I just put in enough water so that all the meat is soaked. We're gonna wait for the water to dry up and then fry it in some oil. I guess my coffee is already done, so I'm gonna slowly press it down. Don't press it down too fast because sometimes the coffee will ooze out the spout if you press it too fast. Okay, it's good. But I don't feel like drinking hot coffee, so I'm going to show you how I make my iced cappuccino. I'm going to get a glass. And this is my favorite creamer, hazelnut. The first time I used this, it was in powder form, but they don't make that anymore, so I converted to using this. In the glass, I pour about that much. And then I pour my coffee. Maybe that's hot. There. And then, of course, add some ice. This ice is so cute. This was gifted to me by a friend. Look, it's a ball. And then I drop it in. One more. So there, I have my iced coffee. It's boiling, so I'll mix it up a bit. Just to basically turn over the meats so that it will cook evenly. And of course, a straw. I will wait for it to cool a bit. So what else can I do? Okay, it's not yet done. Let me wash this. Oh, and before anything else, this is what I use. Palmolive dishwashing liquid. Because it does a pretty good job. Before I tried the Joy dishwashing liquid, and as soon as it touched my hands felt like it was super dry. But with this, it's not harsh on my hands, and it does a good job removing grease or cleaning the plates. One minute. Okay, I was thinking of how to put in the cooking without cooking part. Before we move on to that discussion, let me insert this clip. Because honestly, tell me, does everyone here have a measuring scale at home? Do you have measuring spoons and cups? Do you have all the gadgets that are shown on those videos? I bet you 80% of you do not have those things. I do, but I rarely use them. I only use them whenever I bake or follow a specific recipe that I don't have any idea of. But in the following videos, you know, I will share with you very, very, very important information and teach you the specific skills to be able to formulate your very own recipes with what you already have at home. And if you don't have anything yet, yes, we will also talk about that. Like you just moved out of your mother's house, or you're newly married and you don't know what to get. Yes, we will talk about that too. You see, so we're back. Now, I decided to cook some items first, like this one. That will make you think, so why don't I use any measuring cups? Why don't I even taste it? Yeah, why don't I even like, this is good, add more, add less. Yeah, that's what I will teach you in the future cooking lessons we will be having. The cooking without cooking anything series. Okay, so I can hear it now. I can hear it. The water has dried, and I will add in some oil. Okay, that's right. Yum! Oh my god, I'm getting hungry. I'm actually gonna eat right after this. In those cooking lessons, you will learn how to multitask while cooking. Because sometimes, it's just a waste of time, like to stay here and just watch it. Looking at it won't speed up the process. It really won't. And it doesn't affect the flavor. So, why do that when you can do something else? As you can see, like the last time, when I did the pickled mangoes, like I always say, oh, I can hear it, I can hear this, I can hear that. It's not just about using your sense of sight. It's also about your sense of hearing and sense of smell, of course. Oh my, this is smelling so good. A little more. Okay, let me share it with you. There. You'll notice it's already a little dark brown, but I like it that way. Like, I like the corners. I love it when the corners of the meat have like crispy parts. Yeah, that's not really burnt, like a little toasted kind of thing going on. That's really good. Yeah, that's done. Wait. Stay here. So again, we will need a container for that. I love these containers because they have lids or covers, and at the same time microwavable. There. And kind of presentable when you just want to save on time. When you just don't want to wash a lot of plates and just use it as it is. Look, it's done. There. Now I'm ready to eat. Yay! Let me get some rice. And vinegar. This is pinacorad, and it's really good. Like, it has spices with it. What spices are in there? What? Where? I think it's ginger, garlic, onions, but it's really good. My rice! I'm ready to eat! Yes! There. And then, because I don't like washing plates, we have a lot of those small plates for the sauce. Yeah, I don't want to wash. So, I'm putting it straight on the meat. Oh my god. I think I mentioned earlier that this was for dinner and it's only lunch. No worries. There's a lot left for the two boys. Oh wow, I'm so full. I'm so happy. I'm so happy with my tapa. It's just, I know there are a lot of versions of tapa, and this is the version that I got from my mom. I learned from my mom. Other tapas, I think they have soy sauce and other ingredients. I realized I should have cooked one egg, but maybe I'll do that tonight with my boys. And thank you for watching today's episode. I hope to see you again next time for the Cooking Without Cooking series. Again, for the nth time, subscribe, like my videos, watch my other videos, and turn on the notifications bell button to know whenever I upload a new video. I upload 5 days a week. Okay? Bye!